Are you looking to get a little naughty with your air fryer? So to make these, you need some Oreo cookies. You're also going to need a tube of Crescent rolls. You're just going to take the Oreo cookie and wrap it in the Crescent roll dough. You want to make sure it's fully covered. Next, we're just going to go ahead and sit these in the air fryer basket. Now, if you want, you can dab a little bit of melted butter on top. It's totally not necessary, but it was just a tip that was left under the recipe, so I tried it out. We're going to cook these at 350 for about 4 to 5 minutes. You really want to watch them because they brown super quick. And then we're going to go ahead and dust them with a little bit of powdered sugar. Yum, yum, yum.